Om Shanti. Today is your 155th day of your godly blessing. And before we go ahead, the link above which is going to be showing up is going to lead you to the videos which talk to you about yogasanas, how to sleep, what to eat, what not to eat, so as to reduce your weight too. So check it out and let's go ahead with today's blessing. In today's blessing, Baba talks to us about a method in which we become fearless. Sometimes in our life, we are completely fearless, our mood is completely up, and sometimes what happens is suddenly we do certain bad actions, we think impure, and our mood is down. So God says this is also a dance which you do in your mind, and it is time to stop doing that dance in your mind and always have your hand in the hand of God and walk the path which He's given us. So we make our life ourselves difficult when we leave the hand of God, when we stop following the knowledge, when we stop being in touch with the people whom God has also given this knowledge. That means the complete spiritual family. Staying away from the spiritual family, just being in meditation and just reading the knowledge isn't enough. Even the family sometimes helps us out. So let's understand what Baba has to say in today's blessing so as to be in that constant mood of happiness. Baba says, may you be master knowledgeful and perform a dance of happiness by stopping any dance of fear. So, master knowledgeful, perform a dance of happiness by stopping any dance of fear. Baba says the master knowledgeful children, the one who have the knowledge of God, who practice the knowledge of God, who think about the knowledge of God throughout the day, they are known as master knowledgeful children, cannot perform any dance of fear. To come down the ladder one moment and to go up the next moment. That means sometimes we have spoken about Jacob's ladder in Christianity is the ladder of this constant state of mind of a soul which is lighter day by day. It is moving towards godliness. It's not about death, it's about being light in the mind. So moving up the Jacob's ladder is also known in different religions. In Sikhism also is known as Charti Kala. Charti Kala means that your state of mind is improving day by day, your thoughts are becoming more purer day by day. So that is Charti Kala with the help of God. So that talks about our state of mind. When we are in touch with God, our mood is going up. So God says, stop that movement of going up the ladder in 1 second, coming down the ladder. You become happy if you have some gain in your life, whether it's professional gain, whether it's financial gain, whether it's in relationships, and suddenly something happens, you have a loss, you incur a loss, and you're coming down the ladder. God says, stop that completely. So what is the method? Baba says, now change that sanskar, Baba says, and you will go very fast. Simply use the authority. God has given us the authority of using the different slogans, using the different appreciative words which God has given us. So God has given us affirmations. Use that. Use that authority. Whose child am I? Use that authority. And then Baba says the knowledge. Use the knowledge. And the cooperation of the family, being in touch with the spiritual family, is very crucial. Just being a loner and thinking I'll meditate on my own and I'll just read the knowledge and I don't need the family is not going to help us out, because the whole world is Kali Yuga and we are in Sangam Yuga, the confluence stage, where we have to be in touch with God and also the godly family. So that helps us out. Baba says, cooperation of the family that you have received, and continue to move along with your hand in Father's hand. So if we leave an elderly person's hand as a child, the child strays away. What happens exactly? You know it. The child is completely in fear. And when he is in touch with the parent, he is holding the hand of the parent and walking around ways of the parent will take the child. The child is happy, fearless, not having any kind of anxiety at that time. So Baba says, if you leave my hand, you will come into anxiety and tension and stress. So you will then continue to perform the dance of happiness if you do that. Then there cannot be any dance of fear without being afraid. When fear comes, when we leave the hand of God, the guidance of God, the direction of God, and we start using our own mind, our own intellect, our old mind, impure intellect, and start doing the same karma, same thoughts and same words, and we get into a complete spider web and we get entangled into it, into our karmas, and then we are into fear. Oh, I've done this, what will happen? Oh, I said this, what will happen? Oh, I thought this, what will happen? God says, you have left my hand. That's where all that fear is coming. You're not thinking as per me, not talking as per me, and not acting as per me. So God says, If you leave my hand, that is what is going to happen. So always be in touch with God and godly knowledge, godly family, and godly affirmations. That's the method of being always strong. So then God says, however, it is when you catch hold of Maya's hand, when you are thinking thoughts of lust, anger, greed, ego, attachment, jealousy, hatred, and many other negativities, hold of Maya's hand, you then perform that dance of being fearful in 1 second, again being fearless, again being happy, again being sad. So God says, you keep on walking up the ladder, you come down the ladder. You walk up the ladder, you come down the ladder. Why? You're holding my hand, you're leaving my hand. You're being around with a spiritual family, and then you're going away from the spiritual family. You're creating your own situation of having a good mood and a bad mood. So why don't you be constant by following God, His knowledge, the authority, and the values and the powers, and being with the family? So I leave you with this beautiful Vardhan. Think about it. Godly family is the Brahma Kumari's family. Get in touch with them. You'll understand their power, their positivity, and you'll be happy over there. Om Shanti. Have a blessed day.